Enough small talk, let's get right into pumping AMC. What do you mean pumping? Define the word pumping. It's one of the most liquid stocks in the world. How can you pump something that's that liquid? It's like me trying to pump, I don't know, the spice. You can't. You literally can't. It's impossible. PRPO? No. It's a broken microcap, guys. What have I said? That when these microcaps they lose to 20, they're done. Don't even think about them. The micro nano caps, they're done. They need a new pump to get going. It's just breaking out of an insane range. Why do you want to short it? Wait until a parabolic or backside. That's your edge. Everything else is futile. Goes for any momentum stock. You don't randomly short inside of a range. Easier said than done. You know, I've done that mistake many times too. Oh my god, my FAS that I shorted here. I literally shorted like 118.50 or something. 118. 40,000 shares. And it's now like $20 lower. Nice. What was set up for a FAS? Trend break. Breakdown. From a long uptrend. Same thing as on SPXL. Breakdown from a long uptrend. Nvidia short a $20 million opportunity. Absolutely fucking not. Dude. You need to do the math here. You really need to do some math here. This is very unrealistic. No. It's not even extended. It's up, what, 7% from this little flag? I mean, this is not a big move. No. This is... for 20 million? Do you realize how big of a position I would have to take to make 20 million in that trade? Like, if we get a realistic pullback to that, I don't know, 20-day, that's like a 10% move. I would have to have a $200 million position in it. That's so fucking unrealistic, it's not even funny. It's not even close, man. Wake me up when it gets to, I don't know, 1,000 and I'll start looking at it. You know what my biggest miss in my trading career is? TVIX, but now it's delisted. It used to be like triple ETF. I was long it here. I don't know how big of the position was. I think it was maybe 15-20-ish% of my total equity. And I think I even added here. And, you know, I think I sold it on this day. Yeah, literally on this day. Because I thought it was a parabolic. It was a perfect parabolic. 5-star. I don't remember if I shorted it too. But I know I sold it. And then this... I want to cut myself. Can I go through SPXL? It's, yeah. It's a triple SPY ETF. And it's breaking a long-term trend. And, you know, if we get to the 200-day, there's gonna be some money to be made. Look, you don't have to be super advanced in your analysis. Usually simple stuff works the best. Trust me on that one. The simpler, the better. And you're gonna outperform 99% of experts, or the so-called experts. Yeah. That's what happens, you know, you get these rallies, you know, you gotta be on the ones that are early, not the ones that are laggards. That's why I'm so afraid to buy, you know, barely breaking this great weekly range, but it's kind of a laggard, you know, the best ones, you know, Nvidia and the SC, and they already broke out. People want to rationalize a move for everything. Sometimes stocks just go up and sometimes they go down. It's as simple as that. It's not rocket science. Sometimes... you know, there's always buying and shorting and short covering on these momentum stocks at any level. Is live overextended? Are you kidding me? It's building a flag. What do you mean overextended? It's actually a pretty decent... it's gonna be a really good setup in 2-3 days. That's actually, you know, about to be a really good setup. It's been going sideways for like 3 weeks. 2 weeks. What do you mean overextended? This thing had several good setups along the way. This was a pretty decent one. And then it had this one. Was okay, I guess. Yeah. I'm watching this VXX. It takes out I mean, if we get a pullback in the spice, like a real pullback down to the, I don't know, 100, 150, 200 would be ideal scenario. Undercut to the 200, get, you know, high 300 area would be nice if we got to. I mean, this VXX could go to, I don't know, 50, 100. I mean, if you look at the, like, if you zoom out a little bit, this thing is, you know, due for a pullback. If it can't reclaim the 50, man, we could see some interesting price action going forward. Also remember, the only moving average you guys need are the 10, 20, 50. You don't need the 100, 150. You know, this is 5-star, man. This is 5-star. Oh, I mean, this is beautiful. Textbook. It really is beautiful. Okay, 4.5 stars. Really good. That's a good question. Why am I a moron trading VXX when I can trade UVXY? Because UVXY has a higher ADR. Why am I wasting my precious time with VXX when UVXY has, what's the difference? Yeah, big difference. 3.9, you know, that's almost 50% higher ADR, which means let's say if VXX goes up 100%, UXY will go up like 150%. You know, so you want to be in the highest ADR one, unless there are no like liquidity restrictions. Yeah, exactly. UXY is 1.5 times VXX. That's what I said, but I said it with more words. Oh, thanks for the great information. I had no idea. Since I don't use hard stops anymore, guys, I haven't used hard stops in a few weeks. It's pretty amazing. The problem is I can't leave the computer, or I have to bring my laptop everywhere. You know, even if I go to the bathroom, I have to bring my laptop in case something goes off. Nah, not really that bad, but I haven't wicked anything in a bad way in a while. People were whining about this wick or this candle on SOXL. Was this me selling? Yes. A majority of the volume here was me, but it's not a big candle. It's a tiny wick, man. If I had market ordered this shit, it would have gone down here. It would have gone down another, I don't know, 50 cents. Or maybe not 50, but 20, 30 easily. No, I bring my laptop and then I go do whatever I want. I don't sit in my office. That's for losers. Sitting in your office all day. That's what 9-to-5ers do. Fuck that.